For over 15 years, Thomas Knob has been the mayor of Paradise City. And that's not about to change.
I'm only running this ad to remind you of what an awesome mayor that I am. And how did I get to be this awesome? By doing whatever the fuck I want. I don't care about your dumbass kids, you retarded animals, or any other burdens on society, like the disabled. Because I allow grossly overpaid CEOs to hunt the homeless. I've generated millions of dollars for the city, millions that went back in my pocket to help fuel my cocaine habits, and making species even more endangered. And why do we even have a public school system when the internet exists? Guess what, kids? School's out forever!
Thomas Knob, mayor for life.
Because what are you apathetic jerk-offs gonna do about it?
Paid for by the ignorant and easily fooled taxpayers of Paradise City.